What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to find empty servers on Roblox Rivals. So currently we're here on Roblox and you can see we have the Rivals game already. If you don't, you can go over to the search bar and search for Rivals. So we have the Rivals game right here, we're going to click on it. So what you're going to do at this point is to navigate to servers. We have some options here, so click on servers. And once you scroll down, you can see private servers. Now, this is an example of a private server, and you can see it's currently empty, 0 out of 40. But we can also scroll down and see other servers. Now, these servers are basically filled and we cannot join. What we're going to do is to sort things out by using the exclude full servers, clicking on the checkbox, and this will remove all servers that are actually full. Now, of course, we're looking for empty servers, right? But we have some servers here where we can enter. And of course, you could go from descending to ascending. And while you won't find currently an empty server at this time, you can see that we have some servers that are literally almost empty, right? So you can decide to join them. If you'd like to refresh it, you can refresh this at another time and you might just be fortunate to find an empty server. So this is how to find empty servers on Roblox Rivals.